Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. We're into Bitcoin. It's been quite a while now, and what's going on with Bitcoin? Okay, so still the same old boring, just a little bit of a pump in the market, which is actually good to see after a long time. And we have this technical target up here to 21,600. That's where I actually predicted for you the last time that we were in there. So yeah, let's see. Let's talk about Bitcoin then. Okay. Now you do have this double bottom pattern, 1 2 3 4 breakout, and you're looking for that $21,800, which is a technical target. Can you actually go there and then go down? It depends, but it seems like you could actually even start to sell off from here and start to roll to the downside. I don't think I'm gonna trade this pattern right here. So I think if anyone is in trade, amazing, get your profits out, because who wants to buy? I mean, if I don't get 2% trade, I don't mind. I'm not gonna trade 2%. Okay, so yeah, if it goes up there and losing 2%, I don't mind. But however, if you actually try to break out of this pattern, which is 21,800, and you try to do something like this, but this time actually passing the retest and not going up like that and then go down and sell off and just pump like this, come down and back test, then we're looking for the next technical target being from the top here to the bottom right there on the daily time frame, and we're looking for Bitcoin to shoot all the way up to $25,900. That's when you might actually consider taking another entry and riding Bitcoin all the way to the upside. Now there are signs of bottoming out for Bitcoin, and there are signs of still not bottoming out on the monthly time frame, because the monthly really depends on how this month goes on. So by the look of things, we still have 19,000 being a big level of support. At the same time, we do have a bear flag that it looks like we're trying to break out of, but we have 24 days on the monthly to actually close the monthly time frame, so nothing can be said just yet. So this is what you're looking for. So a little bit of a bear flag right here, which you're still under, and this is for the first time you're trying to break above that flag, but you still haven't closed the monthly, so it's still early to say if you're gonna close above it. And that's why we need help from the daily time frame, and the daily time frame shows that you have two double bottoms. Now the first double bottom was this one, which actually has its technical target been met. So 1 2 3 4 breakout, and you're trying to move back up, and you have this bigger, some sort of a bigger W right there that you're trying to break above, and then move up to 25,820. And on a monthly time frame, you're gonna be breaking that bear flag, and that could actually show that this was your bottom. And I've been saying this for quite a while. No one knows if this is going to be the bottom or not. Okay, and it's better to start DCA. I'm into the dollar cost average position. The coins that I actually did buy when Bitcoin went down here are still in profits. Now I don't really mind if Bitcoin goes down, because I'm looking for further accumulation, and if there's any further confirmation of a break of the downtrend, amazing. Now keep in mind, however, if you do something like this, break to the upside, come back for the retest and go to 25,000 or 26,000, that's still another resistance up here that you really need to pay close attention. And that's going to be another huge pattern that if you break out of, which is maybe they could actually go for a cup and handle here and bottom out completely, then you're looking for a technical target from there to there. Yeah, and you start to go to 37,000. You've broken out of the downtrend ever since November 2021. Amazing, that was your bottom. Go up. So if that happens, it happens. We're gonna wait for that one. I'm gonna wait for further confirmation from the EMAs as well, and then we're gonna talk about it. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.